Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best tabletop waterfall is probably one of the most serene and captivating additions you can make to your home or office, transforming any space into a tranquil oasis of calm and natural beauty. Imagine the gentle, soothing sound of trickling water cascading down elegant tiers, creating a peaceful ambience that melts away stress and enhances focus, making it an ideal centerpiece for relaxation or a delightful conversation starter that brings the calming essence of nature indoors. This isn't just a decorative piece. It's an experience, a miniature ecosystem designed to bring the restorative power of flowing water right to your fingertips, offering a constant, gentle reminder to pause, breathe, and reconnect with the natural world around you. Number 5. WICHEMI Tabletop Water Fountain with LED Lights. Introducing the WICHEMI Tabletop Water Fountain, a beautiful addition to your home or office. Crafted from premium poly resin, it's built to last. Experience ultimate relaxation as the gentle sound of cascading water soothes your senses. It creates a tranquil ambience, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Enhance your space with a peaceful, calming glow from the integrated LED light. The water flowing over the stone-like tiers creates a serene atmosphere. Measuring approximately 10.6 by 9.1 by 6.9 inches, this fountain fits perfectly on any desk, nightstand, or patio. Its versatile design complements any indoor or outdoor setting. Setting up is a breeze, no plumbing needed. Simply add water, plug it in, and enjoy. Remember to refill and clean it regularly to keep it in top condition. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this fountain helps maintain healthier air humidity levels, contributing to your overall well-being. What we like? If you're looking for a compact and durable fountain for your desk or nightstand, this one is a great choice. Its high-quality poly resin construction ensures it will last, and the built-in LED light creates a peaceful ambience. The quiet submersible pump means you can enjoy the soothing sounds of water without distraction. What people say. The water flow is adjustable, allowing for a customized experience. It's very quiet, creating a peaceful ambience without distracting noise. The LED light adds a nice visual element, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Number 4. WICHEMI Indoor Fountain Style 3. Introducing the WICHEMI Indoor Fountain, Style 3. This beautifully crafted piece brings tranquility to any space. Constructed from high-quality poly resin, it's built to last. It comes with a quiet submersible pump for continuous, clean water circulation. Listen to the soothing sounds of cascading water, creating a stress-relieving and tranquil environment. It also helps maintain healthier air humidity. A built-in LED light illuminates the rolling ball and stone-like tiers, casting a peaceful glow and adding a touch of serenity. Measuring approximately 5.1 by 4.7 by 7.3 inches, it's perfectly sized for your desk, bedroom, or office. Assembly is simple. Just add water, plug in the included pump and LED light, and enjoy. Remember to refill the water tank during warmer months to keep your fountain flowing beautifully. Enjoy your personal Zen oasis. What we like? For those who appreciate a bit of dynamic movement and a touch of elegance, this fountain with its rolling ball and LED lit orb is perfect. Its smaller size makes it ideal for tight spaces like an office desk or a small shelf. The combination of cascading water and the spinning orb creates a captivating and tranquil display. What people say. The water flow is adjustable, allowing you to customize the sound and intensity. It's lightweight and easy to set up, making it a convenient addition to any room. Number 3. AquaMiracle 8-inch Pond Waterfall Kit with LED Lights. Transform your outdoor space with the AquaMiracle Pond Waterfall Kit. This all-in-one solution brings the soothing sound and sight of cascading water to your garden, backyard, or pool. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this waterfall spillway is built to last. Its corrosion-resistant and weatherproof design ensures enduring beauty and resilience against the elements. Enhance your water feature with vibrant LED lighting, controlled remotely for effortless ambience. Create mesmerizing water displays that captivate both day and night, elevating your outdoor decor. Experience a powerful 660 GPH water pump that ensures a smooth and consistent flow. Integrated filtration systems keep the water clean and prevent clogs, maintaining a pristine water feature. Everything you need is included for effortless setup. This comprehensive kit features the stainless steel spillway, water pump, tubing, filters, LED lights, and all necessary fittings. Perfect for ponds, gardens, backyards, and pools, it adds scenic beauty and tranquility to any setting. Customize your water feature for a serene and visually charming atmosphere. What we like. If you want to create a dramatic water feature in your garden or pond, this all-in-one kit is the way to go. The durable stainless steel spillway and powerful 660 GPH pump ensure a beautiful cascade. Plus, the remote-controlled LED lights allow you to set the perfect mood for any occasion, day or night. What people say. The water flow is adjustable, allowing for a customized experience. It's surprisingly quiet, adding a peaceful ambience without disruptive noise. The LED lighting creates a beautiful visual effect, especially in the evening. Number 2. Alpine Corporation 51 Outdoor Rainforest Waterfall Fountain. Bring a sense of peace to your outdoor space with this stunning 6-tier waterfall fountain. Its realistic rock design seamlessly complements any garden or patio setting. Crafted from high-quality polystone and fiberglass, this fountain is built to last. It's designed to withstand the elements, resisting both weather and rust. Transform your evenings with 30 built-in LED lights that create a captivating color-changing display. Easily control the ambience with the included remote. Setting up your new water feature is a breeze. It comes with a pump and all necessary parts, requiring just a simple plug-in and water to start. Standing at an impressive 51 inches tall, this fountain makes a grand statement. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with 2 years of manufacturer support. What we like. This fountain is for anyone looking to make a grand statement in their outdoor space. Its impressive 51-inch height and 6 tiers create a stunning visual and auditory experience. The weather-resistant design and color-changing LED lights with remote control mean you can enjoy its beauty and ambience year-round, even after dark. What people say. The sound of the water is very soothing and relaxing. It looks beautiful on my patio and adds a nice ambience. Easy to set up and looks great in the garden. Number 1. Aquascape 83013 Backyard Waterfall Fountain Kit. Create a stunning focal point in your backyard with this easy-to-install water feature. It's designed to bring beauty and tranquility to almost any outdoor setting. This kit comes complete with underlayment, liner, pump filtration, and all necessary installation accessories. We even include a welcome kit and clear instructions to make setup a breeze. Simply add your own rocks, water, plants, and a touch of creativity. You'll have a unique, one-of-a-kind water feature that perfectly reflects your personal style. Enjoy a self-sustaining and energy-efficient water feature that requires minimal upkeep. It's designed to be customizable, fitting seamlessly into almost any space you desire. Save time and eliminate the guesswork with this pre-packaged kit. We've taken the effort out of selecting the right equipment, so you can enjoy your new water feature sooner. What we like. If you're a DIY enthusiast who loves to create a personalized outdoor oasis, this kit is ideal. It provides all the essential components, including liner, pump, and filtration, so you can easily add your own rocks, plants, and creativity. It's designed to be self-sustaining, low-maintenance, and energy-efficient, making your dream water feature a reality. What people say. The water flow is adjustable, allowing for a customized ambience. It's surprisingly quiet, creating a peaceful atmosphere without distracting noise. The LED lighting adds a beautiful glow, enhancing its visual appeal, especially in the evening. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.